In today's episode, I will tell you more about how edge computing can benefit your manufacturing process. Have a look at this touch panel edge device. It has access to all of your production data and can equip you with tremendous control over factory operations. With the Melli PC3000 and edge processing, production can be managed without the use of the cloud, avoiding all the problems associated with data security and latency. But what does that mean? This industrial computer can be linked to an ERP system, allowing for production-level data administration. All orders that need to be processed will be displayed on the screen. Sometimes in the past, the operator had to rewrite them from planning department documents by hand. All he or she has to do now is manage them using this screen. As we can see, the Melli PC3000 allows you to manage production with ease, without the need to be present on the factory floor. That's all for today. Take care and see you next episode.